Hi, today I'm going to show you how to delete business portfolio on Facebook. So first, navigate to a browser and search for Media Ads Manager. Then navigate to Facebook Ads Manager link and it will take you to this page where you'll have to click on Go to Ads Manager. When you click on Go to Ads Manager, it is going to take you to this page. So on this page, you'll have to click on this text just to the right of your profile. When you click here, you will see business portfolios if you'll have any. Now, select any one of these portfolios and you will see a gear icon just right here. Click on that gear icon and it will take you to another page. Here, you'll have to simply click on the business info icon just at the top of user. That is the first option. Now, it will show the business portfolio info. Here, you'll have to simply click on permanently delete business. Now, click on delete portfolio and your business portfolio will be instantly deleted on Facebook. But you can cancel a deletion within only 24 hours by going to the business info and choosing don't delete business. But if you try to do it after 24 hours, it will not be possible. So simply click delete portfolio and you would have successfully deleted your business portfolio on Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.